Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Coinbase quizzes easily. First, understand that these quizzes are designed to educate you about various cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. They offer a fantastic opportunity to earn free crypto while expanding your knowledge. Don't worry if you don't get all the answers right on your first try. The platform allows for multiple attempts. This method ensures you can learn at your own pace and still secure those valuable rewards. To maximize your chances of passing, always watch the accompanying educational videos thoroughly. These videos contain all the information you need to answer the questions correctly. Focus on understanding the core concepts, such as what the cryptocurrency does, its unique features, and its purpose within the blockchain ecosystem. Taking brief notes on key details can be incredibly helpful, allowing you to quickly reference information during the quiz. This preparation makes a significant difference. When you're taking the quiz, read each question and all the provided answer choices very carefully. Sometimes, questions can be tricky, with subtle differences between options. A good strategy is to eliminate any answers you know are definitely wrong, which often leaves you with a much clearer choice. If you're still uncertain, make your best guess. Coinbase quizzes usually provide immediate feedback, so you can learn from any mistakes and try again. This iterative process is key. To truly maximize your free crypto earnings, make sure to complete every available quiz on the Coinbase platform. New quizzes are released regularly, so it's a good idea to check back frequently for fresh opportunities to learn and earn. Remember, each quiz is a chance to add more digital assets to your portfolio without any investment. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy earning!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.